Yeah, so what's up guys, it's Colin Silva right here and you are welcome to Forex Hotel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a very good trend line strategy that you can use to make money for yourself. So just stay tuned to this video and watch it to the end, because you know in most of my videos I always end up giving you a very good signal. Yeah, because you got a signal right here. I got a signal right here that I'm going to share with every one of you guys to trade and make money. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that signal, or I'm gonna use that trade to explain to you, to demonstrate to you how you can use this trend line strategy to make money. So stay tuned to this video so you're gonna make money even as you learn. You get it? So guys, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. However, you can follow our Telegram group. The link is at the description below. Follow us on Instagram. We are all available for you guys. And also you can join our Forex Success Academy if you want to learn Forex, if you want to take your trading knowledge to the next level, if you want to take Forex to the next level where you can be able to trade for yourself comfortably. So make sure you hit the link at the description below to follow my Telegram and message me there. Just tell me whatever you want to tell me. I will be there for you. So guys, let's jump right straight into the chart and see what I'm actually talking about. Okay guys, I'll bring it straight to my screen right now so you can see what I'm talking about. Trend line strategy. Let's go. This is volatility 10 index, volatility 101x. This is where I'm going to be showing you what and I'm actually talking about on this trend line strategy. However, we'll have a very juicy position that's going to be good that we all are going to take using just this trend line strategy. Yeah, so watch me guys. I'm going to go on the daily time frame just so you can see this beautifully well. Look at this. This is my analysis already put in place, and you can see right here. So what am I taking? I'm already preparing for a sell, waiting on a sell position to take this trade all the way down. This is the reasons why. This is the reason why. Just watch this. Look right here. VIX 10 1x moved all the way to the upside, got pushed back to the downside from here, went up again, came back down. You see that? So that leaves us with one touch and two touch. First touch, second touch, you stretch the line, that gives us a trend line. So I believe you guys know how to draw your trend line. You just need to look for a high and get your first touch, and then second touch will have a trend line. Just same way like this. You can see one touch, two touch, then we'll have a trend line. Trend line is a very effective tool that you need to use on a price action. So right here, I got my first touch, second touch, so this gives me a trend line. As you can see, we took this buy all the way to the upside. I think we left this trade around this side, but for some reasons we left this trade around this side, but we took the trade, myself and my team. Okay, yeah, just myself and my team on the Forex Success Academy. So we took this trade up, and now the trade, you can see this was, let me zoom this out. Yeah, you can see this was the first target area and then final target area. Why? Because of this same trend line. And now look at this, price already rejecting from the same trend line, which means that there is a probability that the same thing that happened here, how price pushed this trend line, this candles, how the trend line pushed the price back down, came here again, pushed it down, came here again. So possibilities that it's gonna push it back down. So as Forex trader, what do? We use the possibilities and act towards it. That is by saying, okay, it's gonna drop. Yes, it's gonna drop. So I'm predicting that, yeah, this price is gonna drop all the way to the downside. Why? Because this is it. This is the previous low, you can see. So expectation is that it's gonna break this guy and come down to this black bar. So this is a very strong support level. So my prediction right now for VIX 10 1x is that it's gonna drop all the way to the downside. However, we always have an exit point. This is my stop loss level. So in case it breaks this trend line, means it's a stop loss hit for me. But if it gets down, then guys, I'm gonna be on profit, good profit, while the price drops all the way to the downside. So this is how you can simply use a trend line and make money for yourself. It's quite very easy. Just note that two things happen when price is at a trend line level. At the trend line level, something is either it breaks the trend line or it bounces. So if it bounces, it's going to come back down. If it breaks, it's going to continue move further to the upside. So it bounced right here, came down, so expecting a bounce again here since it's already giving me signs at this trend line level. So that's why we're taking the extend 1x drop down to the downside. However, I'm not yet in this trade because I'm still waiting for some more beautiful confirmations before I can jump into this trade. Well, I'm gonna share this trade with my students on the Forex Success Academy. Every one of them is gonna take this trade. So I might share this trade on the free group. So if you are not in our free group, make sure you join. The link is at the description below. And follow me on Instagram, guys. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Join our Telegram group. You know how it is, and please subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be dropping good trade this period for you guys to be making good money. So however, you don't just get into a trade like that. You need to go to the lower time frame to see what's happening right there. So the trend line actually already tells me that okay, this guy is gonna drop, and from the lower time frame I can still see it's still giving higher highs and higher lows, which are still functions and systems of an uptrend. So it needs to violate these characteristics of an uptrend. Once the higher highs and higher lows is being violated, then it gives me more confidence that hey, it's about to drop. So that's how we just do these things simple. Keep it simple. Always have a stop loss level. Risk something to gain something. That is how you can be profiting and Forex. Yes, don't over risk, especially don't over risk, and just risk at most 3% of your account, risk at most 3% of your account, then you have something to make. That's just how it is.